y'all, it's your boy, you feel me? The one, the only, you feel me? The waveology guy. It's plenty of us out here, excuse me. But there's only one elf. And that makes me the king of this waveology guy shit, man. It really does it. I'm a little rough right now, but feel me, I just woke out the bed. But today we here, man. Somebody finally about to come get the dirt bike, you feel me? Let me put that on real quick because it is a little cold. But somebody is about to come. Hopefully they come scoop this thing. If they don't, then they don't. Like I said, it'll sit here and I'll just wait to fix it up for another project. But the Harley is in front of this, so this is sitting. But for those of y'all who do not know, I was in a motorcycle accident, dirt bike accident, early October. Sucks to suck, but my dirt bike's down. Come take a look real quick, y'all. Come take a look. So what we say in the restaurant, there's the damage. That's the damage right there, gang. Other than that, the bike is clean. Just need a little TLC, man. She been sitting. The sun down there trying to eat her alive, but we are not letting it happen. For me, just need a little TLC and it'll be green. Yeah, they rinse her off, all that type of stuff. But yeah, I was in an accident, man. A car in front of me slammed on their brakes, and I was saying what's up to my friend, and just so happened to look. Everything can happen in a split second. You know what I'm saying? And I was not wearing a helmet either, so by the grace of God, I'm fine. You feel me? It's a blessing to still be here. Take life seriously, y'all. Wear your helmet. Wear your protective gear. Wear your PPE. Just somebody about to come get the dirt bike, man. Hopefully they come look at it. I'm going to just wait, keep it right here, because if they don't, I'm not moving it back to the backyard. So, I'll keep it right here and see. And yeah, man, for those of y'all who do not know, I do have my own brand, you know, wheveology.com. I'll put the link in the description at the bottom. But I do have my own brand, you feel me? I have women products, I have men products, I have kid products. You know, the whole family can be laced up. Wake up, everybody looking good. But yeah, man, check it out, man, you feel me? Support the black man. Well, I'm Belizean, but you feel me? Support the chocolate man, you dig? As far as that, man, we finna just kick back and wait for OG to get here. Come check the bike out. Camera stay on me. Waveology God. Alright, I'm finna walk outside to the front right now. Alright. You. Alright, y'all. G just pulled up, man. Let's go see what he talking about. Dirt bike might be gone. Let's go see what G talking about real quick. G came and scooped it off your boy, man. We got some great memories with this young.
Hold it.
I got you. G came and scooped it, man. She gone. We made some good content with it. Good 450. Y'all put in the comments if y'all had a 450 Suzuki. Everybody be riding Yamahas and all that. Your boy had that Suzuki thing, man. You feel me? And it worked. Y'all seen what it did? Be back, gang. Be right back.
Push him a little bit.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. It's closed?
Yeah, it's gonna close the front. The wheel good?
Yeah.
Big Bertha, y'all.
Call me on the wheels, man.
Big Bertha gone, man. Y'all see her? Man. Shout out to the bike life, man. Feel me? I remember when I did fall, them niggas was right there helping your boy. Fixing me up, starting me back up, you dig? Man, look. Y'all new to the vlog. You already know I ain't gonna say it. I'm just gonna put it at the bottom. Boop, boop, boop. I'm feeling some type of way, gang. My dirt bike gone. Vibes with else. Y'all, what's going on? I ain't gonna lie, I'm fresh off that shift. My little bro called me and was like, pop out, hang with the bikes for a little bit. So I'm gonna be with a couple homies. Well, it's a lot of people outside, but a couple people I know that ride bikes. And my little bro, they racing and shit, so I'm finna get out the car in a minute and let y'all see what the vibe looking like, you dig? Yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what we got going on, man. We outside on Walnut. I don't know where little bro at, but shit, I'm here. What's up, shorty? How y'all doing? I'm good, chilling. Yeah, man, you see us cracking outside, a little bit of everything. It's a wrap, y'all. It's a wrap, y'all. taking it. Ah, it's over. We out of here.